Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make that crispy and delicious plantain chips, specially known as Kpekere in Nigeria. So let's get started with this recipe. So I'm going to be using 4 plantains already washed properly, and I'm just going to rub my hand with some oils to prevent the plantain skin for sticking to my palm and making it look dirty. So at this point I'm going to take off the two parts of the two ends of the plantain, and I'm going to use my knife to give it a nice cut. So just take a look so you can see how to properly take off your plantain peel. So when you're done with the markings, you're just going to make sure you carefully use your hand to peel off the peel. You don't want to use your fingertip, as this will make your finger to get black and dirty. So just carefully use the side of your hand to take the peel off. So I'm going to show you the second time again how to take off your plantain peel. And as I said earlier, you want to make sure your plantain is already washed before taking off the peel, so as to prevent your plantain from getting dirty. So when I'm done peeling, I'm going to get my pan and put in some oil so it will start heating up while I start cutting my plantain. So I have a tablespoon of salt here, and I'm mixing it with water. You're going to see what I'm going to be doing with that. So at this moment I'm going to start cutting my plantain. I'm going to start slicing it into very tiny pieces. You can also use your palm, that is if your knife is not very sharp, you can do this type also, but I'm just going to stick with cutting it on the chopping board. And you want to make sure your plantain is nicely cut into very tiny pieces if you want to achieve that crispy plantain chips. So I'm going to show you again. So you can see how tiny my plantain is. That's how you want yours to be if you want it crispy. So after cutting your plantain, you just want to throw in just one to see if your oil is properly hot. So you can see that is hot. I'm just going to start putting in all my plantain chips in the oil, and at this moment you want to make sure you don't overcrowd your plantain in the pot so as it won't stick together, because if it does, your plantain chips is not going to come out crispy. So you also want to make sure you use either your spoon or your sieve to turn it the moment you put in your plantain oil, to keep on stirring it so it won't stick together, because if your plantain should stick together, I bet you it's not going to come out crispy, as it's going to come out very soft. So you want to make sure your fire is on the medium heat at this moment, and just keep on giving it a nice stir until like a minute after you put it in the fire. So after 2 minutes of cooking, I just want to add in just 2 tablespoons of the salty water to make my plantain chips salty, to have that salt taste. And I'm going to keep on giving it a nice stir and allow it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. So at this moment, while the plantain is getting cooked, I just want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you that have just clicked on my video, and thank you to my old and returning subscribers. Please, if you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. When you're done hitting on the red button, you will find a little bell. Also click on the bell so you will be notified when I post a new video. Thank you very much. So at this moment, I'm just going to check the plantain to see if it's well cooked. You can see it breaks up so easily, so I'm going to be using my sieve to take it out from the oil, and I'm going to leave it on the sieve to drain off any excess oil. So when it's done draining off the excess oil, I'm going to transfer it to a wide tray so air will come in and make it cool down. At that process, it will get more and more crispy. So this is how you want your plantain chips to look like. This is how you want it to be so you can enjoy it. So when your plantain chips is done, when it's well cooled down, you can store it in a jar or in a sealed bag, and you can save this for up to a month. So thank you very much for watching. Till I see you again on my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.